This 2019 Palomino Puma XLE Lite 18 FBC is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features Ice Latte, stone, Reagan Taupe interior, sleeps 3, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.